90% of traders waste 3 to 6 years on wrong things. Here is how to change your trading in 6 months with simple steps. Number 1. Create a strategy. Invest 2 hours to study price action, 1 hour of backtesting your system, and 1 hour of improving your edge every day consistently. Number 2. Cut the distractions. Remove useless trading groups and indicators that may confuse your mind. Focus only on one system with 1 to 3 setups. Once you become a master of 2 or 1 trading pair, you'll be unstoppable. Number 3. Risk management. I have said this so many times and I'll repeat over and over again. Risk management will always save your bank account in the market plan to survive. This should be number 1 goal. Number 4. Be a trading sniper, not a machine gunner. Don't be like new traders. Focus on taking few quality trades and not more inequality trades. Always don't fight the market. Be on point to follow the trend. Number 5. Become the best version of yourself. 4 HRS per day. In 180 days, you'll be unstoppable. Edge is your sword. Risk management is your shield. To be the 10%, do what 90% never do. Your mindset is your most important trading asset. Don't be the same trader you were yesterday. If you enjoyed this lesson, please comment, like, and share this to your Instagram story. Trading is a business, not a lottery. And your trading success starts the day you realize losing is normal. So, my friend, let me leave you with this advice. Take control of your emotions, stay disciplined, and watch what happens.